So this is my life. It's nothing special. No, wait, scratch that. It sucks. I have this feeling of being trapped. You know, kind of like those hermit crabs in the ocean, confined to their tiny little shells. Well, mine is the shells and the ocean. But you get the idea. My life can be summed up as a colorful collage composed of class, then there's class, and if I'm lucky, some sleep. I'm 18 and about to hit my midlife crisis. Something's got to give.
Guys, I got it! We're going camping!
Gabe, you've never been camping before. You're from Jersey.
It's gonna be the greatest weekend ever, guys. We're going out in the wilderness, out in nature, and we're gonna have...
Gabe, freeze! It's fine!
Gabe, how can you forget to change a battery? The flashlight!
Hey, we're camping! We're camping!
Without a flashlight?
Hey guys, where's the bathroom?
Alright, who brought the matches? Quack, quack. This is what I call cooking.
Hey guys, we're camping!
Hey guys, is there an outlet?
You'll be a fire here in no time. Rocks are very flammable.
Well, I would say the camping trip was going pretty well. Except for the tent. And there was a whole car thing.
I swear I parked the car right here.
So we had a couple unplanned surprises.
I hate all people today. And I hate short people and I hate tall people and I hate all people.
Oh my god!
Gabe, you guys there, what's the plan now? What do you want to do now? We're in the middle of nowhere. You got my no flashlight. Our tents all screwed up. What do you want to do now? Gabe, you've done enough. Get out of the way.
Okay, so maybe our camping trip wasn't the best ever. But it turned out that the unpredictable was exactly what the five of us were looking for.
Oh, the damage is 5, the damage is 4, the damage is 3, the damage is 2, the damage is 1, the damage is done, the damage is done. Man, you're coming apart, you're coming unglued, so just walk away. What's the whistle? Oh, the damage is done, the damage is done. There's no use in worrying and pacing, wondering if she's out or is she staying. Don't make it so much things you can't control.
Gabe, this sucks.
I'm having a bad